The natural world is a spectacle of awe and wonder. It is a testament to the power of patience. From the smallest seed to the tallest tree, nature teaches us the value of time. Growth is often slow, almost imperceptible, yet it is relentless and ultimately transformative. Nature does not rush. It does not succumb to the pressures of instant gratification. It follows its own rhythm, its own tempo, and within that unhurried pace lies a profound wisdom, one that we as humans would be wise to embrace. Consider the delicate beauty of a flower. It does not blossom overnight. It undergoes a slow, deliberate transformation. From a tiny bud, it gradually unfolds its petals, revealing its full splendor in its own time. This unhurried process is a testament to the power of patience. Each stage of development is crucial. Each day brings it closer to its full potential, and when the time is right, it blooms in all its glory. The corpse flower is a marvel of nature's patience. This rare plant can take up to a decade to bloom, and when it does, it's a fleeting spectacle. The flower emits a pungent odor, hence its name. The corpse flower reminds us that some things are worth waiting for. Its infrequent bloom is a reminder that even in the face of seeming inactivity, preparation for greatness is underway. Sometimes the most extraordinary events are the result of years of unseen effort. In the icy depths of the Arctic Ocean, we find the Greenland shark. This remarkable creature is known for its incredible lifespan, potentially over 400 years. It grows slowly, matures late, and lives a life of remarkable longevity. The Greenland shark embodies patience in its most extreme form. It teaches us that true resilience comes from embracing the slow, steady pace of life. It is a testament to the power of perseverance and adaptation over centuries. High in the Andes Mountains of South America, the queen of the Andes plant takes its time to reach its full potential. This majestic plant can live for over a century. It blooms only once, producing a towering stalk adorned with thousands of flowers. The Queen of the Andes reminds us that greatness takes time. Its long life and spectacular singular bloom are a testament to the power of slow, steady growth. It shows us that true impact often comes at the end of a long and dedicated journey. The century plant, true to its name, can live for decades before flowering. It dedicates its long life to storing energy, preparing for its final act of beauty. And when it finally blooms, it's a sight to behold. The century plant's life cycle is a metaphor for the importance of long-term vision. It teaches us that by focusing on sustained growth and preparation, we can achieve remarkable results. It reminds us that sometimes the greatest achievements come at the culmination of a lifetime's work. The Galapagos. Tortoise, with its leisurely pace and legendary lifespan, embodies the spirit of patience. These gentle giants have roamed the earth for centuries, witnessing the slow, steady march of time. The tortoise reminds us that longevity comes from adapting to our environment, conserving our energy, and moving forward with purpose. It embodies a quiet strength, a resilience that comes from embracing the natural rhythm of life. Elephants, with their complex social structures and incredible memories, demonstrate the power of patience in building lasting relationships. They nurture their young for years, passing down knowledge and experience across generations. The elephant reminds us that strong foundations take time to build. It teaches us the importance of investing in relationships, nurturing our communities, and understanding that true strength comes from collaboration and shared experience. The lessons of nature are clear. Patience is not simply about waiting. It's about understanding that true growth takes time. It's about embracing the slow, steady progress that leads to lasting success. Just like a seed that patiently grows into a mighty tree, businesses too need time to flourish. They need to develop strong roots, adapt to their environment, and weather the inevitable storms. Consider the story of Apple. From its humble beginnings in a garage, it has grown into one of the most valuable companies in the world. This success was not overnight. It was the result of decades of innovation, perseverance, and a commitment to long-term vision. Apple's journey reminds us that sustainable success is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a steadfast commitment to one's vision, a willingness to adapt and evolve, and the patience to see the fruits of one's labor blossom over time. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is another example of patience in action. It began as an online bookstore and gradually expanded its offerings, investing in new technologies and building a vast logistics network. Amazon's success underscores the importance of strategic planning and patient execution. It demonstrates that by focusing on long-term goals and embracing a culture of continuous improvement, businesses can achieve remarkable scale and impact. The journey of an entrepreneur is often compared to a roller coaster ride. There are highs and lows, moments of excitement, and periods of uncertainty. However, through it all, patience remains the entrepreneur's greatest ally. By embracing the lessons of nature, by understanding that true growth takes time, entrepreneurs can navigate the challenges of the business world with greater resilience and purpose. Remember, just as the mightiest oak tree starts as a humble acorn, so too can great businesses emerge from the smallest of beginnings. The key is to plant the seeds of patience, nurture them with dedication, and watch as your vision takes root and flourishes.